Hey everybody, Taxi for Jesus tour update from McGuire's Showroom. Revival Outside the Walls, that's his ministry. And Car Wax is his business. My good friend Barry McGuire's been doing this for years. And man, let me tell you, he knows how to shine a car. And you know the beautiful thing is, God knows how to shine you up. He can shine you up no matter what your car looks like. He can put a nice polish on it. Barry's favorite color is black because it shows the shine. Jesus shines in our heart to a lost and dying world. I hope he's shining in your heart today. Taxis for Jesus tour update from Irvine, California, where God is on the throne. Be blessed today.
Taxi for Jesus tour update. Quick look from the cockpit of a 57 Chevy. Looking good. I'm driving this baby down to Irvine for Barry McGuire. But man, I just want to tell you, I haven't done this since I was a teenager. This thing is clean as a whistle. Get a look. I mean, look at that paint job. That's McGuire's Car Wax for you. God bless you. Have a great day before I get bucked.
I just wanted to give you an update. Look at this Woody. This car clean or what, man? Check this thing out. It's beautiful. Look at the inside. That's why they call it a Woody. Man, this has even got satellite radio.
Last video from the show here. This car won the best, one of the best of shows. This and the Mulholland. Look at this thing. They won the prizes. But this is a Cadillac from way back when. And they don't make cars like this anymore. This was the top of the line. I don't know if you can see the detail on this thing, but man, this is how they used to drive these cars, man. Look at this. Wow. This thing is about as clean as the Board of Health. Probably cleaner. Now that's a car.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Man, that's cleaner than the Board of Health. Look at this. Man, I wouldn't be driving. Taxi for Jesus tour update. Can you say bomba? Look at this car, will you? Man, I love coming to Southern California where car is king. I mean, they just got cars coming out of the trees here. But my friend Barry McGuire makes a car wax that'll just make these cars look so good. And this is, I mean, look at this motor. I mean, I just keep making these videos because you don't get to see cars like this every day. This is a 57 True Blue Nomad. Wow, look at that, the original SUVs. Just give you a quick look at this baby. Wow. I mean, they've got cars here. And look at this. How do they do this? Unbelievable. Wow. Can you say efficient gas mileage? Like a half a gallon? Car crazy. America is car crazy. It's amazing how God takes these old cars, just makes them brand new. What a beauty. And in front of each car, they give the lowdown.